Yeah, Kyle, babe. I do a beach park away upon you. Which part of there? But how you mean I can't come? I don't understand. You have something important to do? I don't understand what you talk about, you know. No, but I'm over here almost 2 hours now. You can't come all now. You thought you have something important to do. What's so important? Kyle, you me I talk to? What's so important? You can't tell me. What you mean? Just make me waste my time come over here and wait for you. Kyle. Kyle. Shit, phone dead. Go try get a call from somebody. Can't bother no more. Good evening, sir. We can get a call off your phone, please?
Yeah, man. I can't get a call, man. But how much though? Hold on, use this phone.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, Shati. Yeah, I'm here. Me there say, if we could alright, me there a beach park, and me there say, if we could come over your yard for kill time, because me there over here wait for Kyle long and he can show up on something. So me there say, if we could come over your place, come build back for a little while until me ready, because me not really an order today and something. Alright, 15 minutes. Alright, that good still. Alright, later. Because somebody phoned me borrow me now and don't have them credit. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Alright.
15 minutes.
To you, miss. You sure is everything alright?
Well, me out here wait for somebody how long and the person don't show up and me call my best friend and tell her the situation and something and she say 15 minutes. Can't bother. Just
You always come out here, though.
yeah, me always come out here, like, I don't live really far from here, so I'm more, you know, like, chill.
You know, say me always see out here. Me know you, you know. Anyways, my name Malitos.
Well, nice to meet you, Malitos. I'm Mia. So tell me something, why are you out here sitting by yourself?
I really want confusing place, you know. Overwhelming, you know. More I come out here, so just go and take in the breeze. You know, and listen you see. Because I like that, you know. You know, what I made the same way.
So, you're living in the area?
Yeah, man. We live right down an Ampere, right down about 5 minutes from here, so. Right up at one cash pot shop there. Down an Ampere long there, so.
Oh, me know an umbrella.
Hold on, excuse me. Hello? Mia? Oh, your call, here.
Yeah, Shati. Alright, may I come. Alright, may I come right now? Alright, may I come. Alright, me have to go and come a friend out there, so later here. But
Yeah,
me
man.
see you back again.
Alright,
Bye.
take care of yourself, yeah, man.
Alright.